After finishing your Sun Salutations A and B, we continue with the standing sequence. First posture, Padangusthasana. Open your feet hip apart. Exhale, catch your big toes with your thumb, index and middle finger. Inhale, head up. Exhale, head down. If needed, bend your knees. Relax your neck and breathe for 5 times. Inhale, head up again. Exhale, Padangusthasana. Step on your hands. Inhale again, lift your chest. Exhale, fold. Again, don't force the posture. If you need, bend your legs. Breathing for 5 times, in and out through your nose. Inhale, straight arms, head up. Exhale, inhale, come up. Exhale, back to Samastiti. Utthita Trikonasana A. Inhale, step to the side, open your arms. Your feet are 3 feet apart. Right foot out. Exhale, right hand, right leg, left arm to the ceiling. Keep your legs straight, and if possible, catch your big toe. Extend your left arm to the ceiling. After 5 breaths, inhale all the way up and change your feet to the left. Exhale, left hand, left leg, right arm to the ceiling. Again, we have 2 options here, both with the legs straight, either with the hand on the leg or catching the big toe. Look to your right hand and inhale, come up. Utthita Trikonasana B. Change your feet again to the right, turn the hips to the end of your mat, and place your left hand on top of the right leg, maintaining the right hand on the waist. Keep turning your right shoulder to the ceiling. You can also try to place your left hand on top of the foot and straighten your right arm. The final stage of the posture will be with the left hand on the floor. But make sure you maintain your legs straight. So find the best option for you at the present moment. Inhale, come up. Exhale, the same posture to the left side. First with a hand on the leg, with the left hand on the hip. Second, placing the hand on top of the foot and straightening the left arm. And third, with a hand on the floor. For each posture, you breathe for 5 times, as deep and slow as you can. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, Samastiti. Utthita Parshvakonasana A. Inhale, step to the side. Your feet are wider, 5 feet apart. Turn your right foot out. Exhale, bend the right knee 90 degrees. First option, forearm on top of the knee. Left arm above your head, diagonal to the floor. If possible, place your fingers or your hand on the floor just next to your ankle. Deep breathing. Inhale all the way up. Change your feet. Exhale, left side. Make sure you breathe with no interruptions between your inhalation and exhalation. Keep your legs strong and steady. Inhale all the way up. Utthita Parshvakonasana B. Change your feet again to the right. Bend your right knee. Exhale, lock your left arm as deep as you can over your right leg. For now, the right hand is on the waist. Later on, if possible, go deeper and place your fingers or your hand on the floor outside of your right foot. This time the arm comes above the head, just like the posture before. Strong legs, inhale, come up, open your arms. Exhale, left side. Bend your knee, lock the arm, and turn your chest and turn your shoulder, left shoulder to the ceiling. Both feet are strong, both legs are strong. Later on you can try to lock your arm deeper and reach the floor with the fingers or with the hand, and then bring the arm above your head. Keep looking to your left hand After 5, inhale, come up, open the arms. Exhale, Samastiti. Prasarita Padottanasana A. Inhale, step to the side with your hands on the waist, feet 5 feet apart. Exhale, reach for the floor with the fingers. Inhale, head up, exhale, fold. Second option will be with the hands on the floor, the same way. Inhale, head up, exhale, fold, and we hold for 5. After 5, inhale, straight your arms, head up, or with the hands or with the fingers. Exhale here. Inhale, come up with the hands on the waist. Exhale. B. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, hands on the waist. Inhale, open your chest. Exhale, go down. As you can. Don't force it, but maintain your legs straight. With time, your head will move closer to the floor. Keep your shoulders wide, keep your chest open. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. C. Inhale, open your arms. Exhale, lock your fingers behind. Inhale, straight your arms. Exhale, bend forward and try to move your arms away from your back in direction of the floor. Again, with time, your hands will move closer to the floor. Strong feet, strong legs. Inhale, come up with your arms straight. Exhale here. Last D. Inhale, hands on the waist. Exhale, reach for your legs. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. If possible, catch your big toes. And again, inhale, head up. Exhale, head down, bending your arms. Again, shoulders away from your neck. Hold to your big toes strongly. Inhale, head up one time. Exhale here. Inhale, come up with the hands on the waist. Exhale, Samastiti. Parshvottanasana. Inhale, step to the side with your feet closer to each other and face the end of your mat. You have two options here, or you maintain your hands together between your shoulder blades, or you catch your elbows behind your back or forearms. Exhale, go down as you can. Again, priority is maintaining your legs strong and straight, not going deeper. But if possible, bring your head to your knee. Inhale, come up. After 5, change your feet to the left. Exhale, go down, or with the hands together between your shoulder blades, or holding your elbows behind your back. Strong feet, strong legs. Inhale all the way up. Exhale back to Samastiti. And after finishing the standing sequence, we're gonna continue with the last 3 postures. Inhale, arms up, just like we did in the clips before. Exhale all the way down. Inhale, head up. Exhale, step back to Chaturanga with or without your knees on the floor. Strong arms. Inhale, straight to upper dog. Exhale, lift your hips to downward dog. And inhale, one leg across, the other one on top, and use your hands to sit back on the floor. Maintain your legs crossed. Exhale, bend forward with your hands in front and walk the hands as further as possible. Relax your neck, relax your upper body. Deep breathing in and out through the nose. After 5 or 10 postures, you do the same, but holding your elbows behind your back or your forearms. Again, breathe slow with no interruptions between the inhalation and the exhalation. Inhale, come up, straight your arms on top of your knees, keep your thumb and your index finger together. And deep and slow breathing. Shoulders back and down. 5 seconds to inhale, 5 seconds to exhale. Last posture, Utplutihi. Inhale, lift your hips, lift your knees to the chest, and look to the front part of the mat. Again, 10 breaths here. From here, we move to Chaturanga, rock back. Inhale, lean into your hands and your knees. Exhale, step back and lower your body to the floor, with or without the knees. Inhale, straight arms. Exhale, lift your hips. And inhale, we sit again. One leg across, the other one on top. And slowly sit back and lay down on the floor to rest completely your body.